edition 2022, and Emmanuel is here to give you updates on what is going on in here, what real estate investment opportunities are available, and how you can take advantage. Just before I go tell you about property, I saw this lovely machine over here. I think you guys need to see it. It's the ABB Formula 8. Alright guys, so the exhibition is happening in N1 and we are going to be going inside in the next few seconds. Don't go anywhere.
When it comes to investing in Nigeria is you have to do your due diligence, like make your proper research and make sure the company you are investing with are quite reputable. And if you can do that, well, investing in Nigeria shouldn't be a problem.
My experience today has been great. I've learned a couple of things.
What do you think about investing in Nigeria? I mean, living in the UK and then investing in Nigeria. What do you think about it?
For me personally, it's great. You know, because you have, how would I put it? You do have like a business back home that you can rely on, and you know, you have like an income, you know, coming in. So as of me, I have a landed property already in Nigeria, which at Lekki Ekpe. So it's for me personally, I would advise other people to do the same thing as well. So yeah.
Clearly as Diasporans, so it's good to know the opportunities to invest in Nigeria, where we can invest in Nigeria, why we should invest in Nigeria, because it's home and profitable in the long run.
I've actually found it like really informative. I'm quite surprised at how like affordable it is, because you start from like a really good price range going up, so it's open to a lot of opportunities.
And I would encourage Nigerians and anybody interested in Nigeria. And Nigeria is the next big property hub. Wow. Invest into it, be part of it, and you will gain.